this thread. I imported it in Postman, and now it is this one. And I'm now starting to generate the token for a user. I can find the users in DAO customer account project. So it's here under the test project of DAO customer account under test data and environments. And I'll be needing the T4 environment for dev1. So this is the file for it. And I will try to generate for the first one, for the first username. Just copying the username and pasting it here and press send.
And which username password it is?
The password, it is the same for all the users.
And which user it is? Same.
Which password is that same?
This password.
Can I explain?
Yeah.
Can I explain something? Now we have different environments here. So dev1, QC1, and int1, etc. Okay, but every environment point one test environment, and test environment is different from the environments. So they are pointing like T1, T2, T4, T3, four test endpoints, right? Am I wrong, Sylvia? So we are searching which environment looks to which test environment. So we are making we are finding users for that test. So we are going through to this environment to create this token.
Yeah. So you can check what is, for example, let's take dev1. You can just check in VSES. You go to, let's just go to releases. And for example, for DAO customer account, which is what I need, I'm going to one of the releases. It doesn't matter which one of them, and then go to variables, variable groups, and then DAO customer account dev1. This is the group of variables for dev1 environment for DAO customer account. And here you can find one of these variables. It is called till service URL, this one, and this is its URL. And at the end of it, you can just find this number. And if the second number is 4, then it's T4. If it would have been 3, it would have been T3. So the second number tells you what till environment we are using for dev1. In our case, it's 6.4, so this means it's T4. So we are going to use a username from T4. And this is why we have taken it from this file, T4. If it would have been different, we would have used another one from T1 or T3. So I have taken the first user from this one and copied it in Postman for the first step, authorization token L0, and pasted it here, sent it, and it generated me an authorization token.
And password, we got the username, but where we got password from?
When I imported the collection, it automatically populated the password field. And if I remember correctly, Tolga, it's the same password for all the usernames that we are using. Yeah? Tolga?
Yes, it's same username. Sorry, I was mute.
Same password.
Same password for all users. And when you cannot connect, you are asking the test team to reset the user, and they are setting also this one if you cannot. So in the ticket, there is a one user and you want to create a test to generate this one. So you cannot create token. So you are asking them to reset the user, and they are setting again to this user, this password. We are not using another password. Until now, I didn't know for any level of This is one level of the password, one level of the token. There is another token. Also, we are not mentioning about this. This is level 3 token.
Yes.
As you see, we have level 0 here, level 2 here, and this access token calls as a level 3 token. It's also mentioned how to create this in the Welcome to Viking page, if you want to repeat it there. But it's better to see it online while somebody creating, because it's a bit confusing when you haven't created first. Sorry, continue, Sylvia.
Okay. Do I need to set this authorization token for any environment?
No, if you want to use like this, you can use environment. Normally, you need to copy and paste the level 2.
Okay, I'll just copy it and go
Copy.
to level 2. And here, I copy it here under authorization, yes?
I will check, sorry. You will copy it in 1 second. I don't want to give mistaken information. Level 2, you will paste it in the authorization. Yes, you should choose the barrier token.
Change also the username. And,
this authorization.
Okay. Pasted it also here.
Yes, yes.
Just a second.
And you don't need to do anything else. You are not passing any parameter, I guess. I will check. You are not passing any parameters. Headers, you already channel ID, username, and password you are passing.
Okay. And I need to have this to dev1 also, as the previous one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bad request. Can I see? HTTPS dev utilization token. Can you go to headers?
Oh, it takes the username and password that I have set here, which are different.
Yeah.
I believe. Okay, I'll just copy them. Username and setting the values.
No, you can make it like this. No, you don't need to make like this. Close it. Choose from here the username. Right click.
Oh, set global.
Set global and username, yes. And here also same.
Password. Yeah.
Username wrong. Can you go back to level 0?
Yeah.
1 second. Level 0, I use username normally. Level 0, we don't use username. Level 0, I only use the X channel ID.
I don't have X channel ID. Maybe I should put it here.
Level 0, maybe, yes.
It's like this, or?
I'm checking also, wait. I put like this. I'm pasting, but if I give you the collection, why I couldn't give you this one? I didn't understand. You should get directly from me. I paste the chat.
Okay. And I'll send it again.
I think this username and password doesn't require it for level 1. You can disable these things. Okay. Level 0.
Mm-hmm. Send it again.
Okay. And you can set from... okay.
Yes. Oh my God, wait.
Barrier token, something wrong. There's something in parameters. For example, for me, this is not. I have only these 3 things.
Okay, so I should disable these ones? But I don't think this will make any influence on that.
I don't know, headers 10, and I will check the level 2. 8 hidden. Okay, others hidden for me. Yeah, I had these things. Password, username, connection, encoding, accept, user agent, and host. Yeah. I will check. Maybe I didn't.
Oh, I have username. Maybe it's case sensitive. I have it small, huh?
You don't have same username.
Same. Okay. Yeah, it was case sensitive username. This value. Okay. So it has generated me an authorization token for L2 now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now I'm going to get accounts.
Yes.
Okay. Here, do I need any values? I need to also change this one, the URL. Okay. Do I
Get
need
accounts. Yes. You need to. No, you don't need anything. You are just going.
Authorization? Do I?
Yeah, go directly. Yeah, pardon. Did you put the token? You should put token. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sylvia, could you please share the usernames that you're using?
I can share.
This is the username that I'm using. I've taken it from the customer account project from this file.
Please just write it in chat.
I wrote it.
Thanks.
Okay. Accounts. Okay, it has given me the accounts details. I'm now needing to set this global to account ID.
But you are setting the value, yeah.
And the ID hash, set globals and set for temporary account ID hash. Okay, and this is all from this. I'm going to get account.
But you should maybe mention that this account ID parameters can create like this, because maybe they need to know. We are doing this instead of copy and paste the values. If you don't know, we are creating.
Yeah, normally these are mentioned here in header.
And you are creating from here these things globally.
I have this one. I will need to set it here also. ID hash. If I want to use it.
You already set it, I guess.
Yeah, but it was a different name for me. It was a temporary account ID hash. Now I'm going to
maybe you use local variable. Okay.
Okay.
Level 2 token also you should put.
Okay, and this should oh, I should also have the token.
Yeah. Level 2.
Account ID has no match. Maybe it's different. Okay, so I set account ID. I set account ID hash and then account ID hash no match.
Maybe you didn't use subscription. Can you go to subscription?
Yeah.
No, go to subscription part. Can we check? Admin, less full account ID hash. These parameters are different. Did you set these ones?
No, I
Or
said
did you
this
set?
one.
Then you should click these
Oh.
ones and disable these ones.
Yeah.
Authorization, you put correct level 2 here.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what I pasted from the L2.
Okay.
Right, let's do it again. Yeah, it's the same result.
Probably it's use another parameter. It should work. Subscription. Because
Oh,
this
here it's using. That should be changed.
this one, right?
Oh my god. Why is this happening?
No,
Maybe
this will be account ID, not account ID hash. I will check in my mind, but it should be like this.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
account ID. Okay.
Ralph, you were saying something maybe.
yeah, I would like to also show you my Python script in action about creating tokens. We can do it a bit later when you have finished with Postman.
Okay. And then I have get mobile numbers. Yes.
No. You will go to access token directly.
Access token. Okay. I need to change the URL. Okay. I'll just have to set a subscription ID and the subscription ID hash. I will change this here to be the same as my variable. And also I need the L2 authorization token, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it has generated me a token. And I can decrypt it by this one. How did you decrypt it here?
Maybe you should put the correct URL here.
Oh, yeah. Also need to
what's the point of using the crypt endpoint? Can't you just use jwt.io website?
Yeah. But I wanted to see if I can do it all from here. But it seems I'm not so lucky. This is the website where you can decrypt your tokens. Okay, we generated a token. Does anybody have any questions or remarks, suggestions?
Can you wait a bit that page when you decrypt?
Yeah, it's jwt.io.
Okay, this gives here. Okay, before I couldn't find platform session ID from here. That's why I'm using only that one. Okay, no question.
Can I show you my scripts, please?
Yeah.
I hope you will like it. I really, really hope so. Okay, one moment. Sharing screen. Let me know when you can see it.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
You can see.
So this is the Masteam utils repository, which we use for Bastion as well. And the script is in the miscellaneous folder. There's only one file, L3 token. You can use it to generate tokens as well. It's a Python script, so you will need to set up Python. But when you have done it, all you need is to point it to the correct environment. And well, you need a valid username. Once you have that, you can simply execute it. And let's look at what is going on behind the scenes. So first thing it does, it creates an L2 authorization token. Here you can see the response. Then it's reusing this token to request account details. It automatically fetches the first account if there's only one. If for some reason there is more, it will let you interactively select it. But if there's only one account, it will use that the only account. Then it's requesting subscription data. Again, if you have only one subscription, it will select it automatically. But if you have more than one, you will be able to select which one you want to use. Then, based on this information, it's creating access token level 2. Here is the response for it. Based on that L2 access token, it's creating L3 authorization token. And based on the L3 authorization token, it is giving you finally this L3 access token. And we can also decrypt it to see that it's working.
Can I ask what is the difference between the last 3 tokens?
One moment. Yes, one moment. Give me a moment. I just want to check as a decoding part. If I understand correctly, authorization token grants you, well, authorization token says that you are who you say you are. The authorization token is used to verify your identity. The access token is used to grant you access. And you need authorization token to create the access token. You need level 2 authorization token to create the level 2 access token. And you need level 3 authorization token to create level 3 access token. Makes sense?
This is different than this two-level access, which is with make by phone. This is also same token, which is made by phone. There is another token which you make by phone. They call also this like multi-factor authentication token or something like that.
I believe that's the access token. I will stop sharing my screen. Silvio, can you share your Postman again, please?
Yeah, sure.
So, which we created is not layer 3 access token.
I believe you created level 2, yes.
Yeah.
And Wikipage, it's called wrong name. So you will share?
Sure.
I will share my screen, or you will. Who is sharing the screen now?
Yeah,
I see only Billy.
yours, Silvio. Up to you.
Okay, I can share.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they're looking for.
So yeah, on the left side where you look at the collections, you can see there's a collection for authorization token level 2. You can
Yes.
reuse that endpoint also to create a level 3. I believe you just need to slightly tune some settings. And yes, the access token request is then used to generate access token from the authorization token.
So
That
this is level 2 access token, you said, right? It is called as a level 2 access token.